While I was in law school, I didn't really think a lot about long-term ambitions. I thought about passing the next set of exams. After I got out of law school, before going to work in private practice, I clerked for Justice Rule Walker on the Texas Supreme Court. And I really liked that work. And at that point, I developed a long-term career goal of serving in the judiciary.
I nominated Judge Phillips for this award because he's a titan of the Texas bar. His judicial career alone is enough to qualify him for this award. But since then, he's practiced for decades at the highest level of our profession. And on top of that, he's been a mentor to generations of law school students. Law school students and young lawyers, he really goes out of his way to develop and guide those lawyers in their careers.
I think his greatest asset is that he tends to look for the better in everyone that he meets. When I went over, I was, still basically a baby attorney. I'd only been an attorney for about 5 years, maybe. And he was amazing to me. He was a great mentor and was always ready to talk politics with me, but also to talk policy. And so he's just an open book to people. And I find it to be, especially in the world of politics, to be really refreshing.
My whole career's kind of been sort of plan B turning out to be a super plan A. I thought I'd go to the University of Texas Law School, had a real problem with their admissions office and ended up getting into Harvard and going there. I thought I would go to Dallas, which was my hometown, to practice law. That didn't work out, and so I went to Houston. And then when I got that appointment as a district judge, my long-term goal at that time was to try to be a federal trial judge. I enjoyed the trial bench. And the federal trial bench was not working out, and Chief Justice Hill resigned, and the Supreme Court opportunity opened up, which is, of course, a marvelous opportunity. So serving on the Supreme Court was a great opportunity and very interesting to me. So I've just been very fortunate in that way.
I think that Tom won this award because he's highly respected across the profession. He's respected by lawyers, by members of the judiciary, and people know that Tom functions at the highest level of integrity. I don't think he won it because he knows all of the political trivia in the world, although he would tell you that. I really think it's because of his integrity.
My family, I'm grateful to them. My wife, most of all, who gave up a great job at Rice University to move up to Austin. My law firm, Baker Botts, who hired me. And of course, to Governor Clements, who took a real chance on appointing me, and the voters of Texas. Well, when judges are remembered, that's generally not a good thing. The institution should be respected. I hope if people think about me, they would remember that I was placed with a large challenge at a young age and acquitted myself to the best of my abilities.